Hey guys, in this video I will teach you what you need to consider when you want to create a NuGet package. To demonstrate this, I will continue with the class library that we created in the previous video. Let's get started. If you create a NuGet package, it is important to think about how you want to instruct the users on how to use the package. If you create a package for a private feed, you might not want to write any documentation at all, because you know all about the internals of the code. But if you create a package that you want to publish to NuGet.org, you will have to inform your users on how to use the package. You might want to write code documentation, keep a changelog, and add a readme. Because we will add our package to NuGet.org, we will write code documentation and add a readme. I will start with the creation of a new branch for the changes that we will make. I will base this new branch on the branch that is currently open, which is 0.1.0, but I will name this branch 0.1.1. In a later part of the video, I will explain how I handle versioning. When I write code documentation for NuGet packages, I only do so for public classes. The reason that I only do it for public classes is because only these classes will be exposed to the outside world. I will show how I document my code for the interface that I have currently open, but I will do the rest of the public classes and methods off camera. I start by adding 3 slashes so I get the basic summary part, and I can then fill in the blank, in this case a factory that allows the creation of an HTTP client through dependency injection. And for the method itself, I will do the same thing, but for this I will simply write create an instance of an HTTP client, and it returns an HTTP client. The readme that I will add for this project I will also create off camera. If you are interested in seeing it, you can check the GitHub repository for more information. Another subject that I would like to address is dependency registration. A mock HTTP client was created with dependency injection in mind. But how will our users be able to register the dependencies for the package? Custom HTTP client factory is an internal class, which makes it impossible for users to register the dependencies themselves. When I create packages for a private feed, I can resolve this by adding a dependency registration class. When I do this for a private feed, it is easy because I know what dependency injection container is used by the users. When creating a public package, this is not the case. It could be a variety of dependency injection containers. Therefore, it is not desired to handle the registration of the dependencies within the package itself. To allow the users to register the dependencies, we need to make the implementation public. So in this case, we need to change the visibility of custom HTTP client factory to public. Let's do that immediately. Making it public also makes it necessary to add documentation for the code. I will do that by adding 3 slashes again, but in this case, instead of writing a new summary, I will inherit the one from the interface it inherits. So I will write inherit doc. I will copy this and paste it here for the method as well. And with that out of the way, we can now describe the properties of the package itself. We do this by clicking the Solution Explorer and then right-clicking the project and going to Properties. The package ID has to be unique at the feed that we publish to, and because mock HTTP client already exists at NuGet.org, I will use an abbreviation for code along withdrawn, so CAWR.mock.HTTP client. I will keep the package version in line with the branch, so 0.1.1. For authors, I will just use my name, and for company, code along with Ron. Product name is fine, mock HTTP client, and for the description, provides a factory that makes it possible to create HTTP clients through dependency injection, and also adds a mock HTTP client factory that makes it possible to mock the response from the various REST methods of HTTP clients. I will skip copyright, licensing, project URL, icon file, and I will add the repository URL, which is http as www.github.com/code-along-with-ron/mock HTTP client. The repository is of type Git, and the tags are Git. The tags are space separated, so let's write HTTP client mock, mocking, unit test, and unit testing. And for release notes, I will simply write first version. In the next video, we're going to set up an automated build pipeline that pushes the package to NuGet. If you don't want to miss that video, make sure to smash the like button and to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.